let's test him and see how he works. All right. Now, let's get up here where we can look down. Let's give him some. Let's get some room here. Okay, he's got an interesting sound. Let's watch him go through this switch here. See how he does that way. And he's just going under his own weight too. He's not he's not weighted down by the shell, which is really heavy, and that's going to make it even better. All right, now let's zoom in a bit on him so we can see. Let's check him out good here. Okay, that is the front end. He's facing the wrong way. He's not facing to the right, but this motor is going to be facing to the rear in this setup. So we're going to pick up power from the frame to the other motor, and we're going to wire directly across anti-parallel to this one. And the first motor in that system controls the direction. Okay, I'm running just in DC. Just on my Tech 2. He is going to be coming in. That's not even pulse power or nothing. It's just regular straight DC power. And listen carefully, you can hear the sound of the motor in addition to the steel worms and the gears. Sounds pretty good for 1967 brass. Okay, I believe we have our system. Let's zoom in on it quick. One last look here. Okay, so we use those phosphor bronze wires, and that's why it's facing this way. See the two white tabs there? Right there and right there. That's where there's that phosphor bronze wire that you can see right there that wipes the top of the wheels. And then it's wired up to a little PC board here. And then you have to go underneath with your other wire. You cannot go across this gap because the frame or the walkway part, somebody gets screwed in right there. Just the walkways that get screwed to this and expands that whole distance, so you can't go wire over the top. That's okay, plenty of room underneath. Same thing over here, up to a little PC board, and I got these two temporary wires in here, and that's how we're getting our power. And then I did get the gear on. That gear isn't even on there the best that it could be, and it still works pretty good. It's still a decent operating gear. We got a very powerful motor there because it can turn that at very low voltage. Okay, that's where we are. We're in good shape now. We're going to duplicate that on we'll duplicate it on this guy. And then we'll put them together. Looking good so far.